So how many of you have already taken the or registered yourself for GATE exam? Just type Y if you have registered. If or not, then type N. Sudarshan, mute. Darshan GN, mute yourself. Thank you. Okay, not. Yes. Okay, lots of people saying no. Okay, last 1 minute left. Students, please turn off your video as well as audio if you haven't. Purnachandra? Yeah, I guess let us give a minute. Let's then start. It's good to see a lot of people even after the hectic online classes.
Video.
Friends, turn off your video or else the network will be lagging on your side. So make sure you turn off your video and audio as well. Purnachandra?
Yeah.
Ready for the backup?
Yes.
Number is increasing. So I guess you can start.
Yeah. Yes. Hi. A very warm good evening. You are watching number of equipment. I'm so excited to be here, and I'm thanking all of you here to be
It's lagging.
in
It's
this session.
lagging.
Importantly, I welcome our beloved HOD, Dr. G.M. Satyanarayana sir, who has been supported and also took time to attend our all sessions and making us to grow more. Welcome to the session, sir. And I am mainly we tell minute to minute story of the dream future and on and on. Next, without wasting a second of time, we can start the session. I'm handovering to the speaker, Mr. Rakshit M. Shetty.
Am I audible, guys? Is my video and audio is lagging or what? Am I clear? Just type yes. Tejaswini. Okay, guys. Shall I start now? I have observed that so many of the people haven't registered yourself for the GATE exam. I guess you are all waiting for this webinar mostly. So let me try to convince you why you have to take the webinar. So before starting, I have already asked questions like how many of you have took the exam. Okay, so let me share my screen. So is the guys, is the screen is visible? Just type S. Don't unmute yourself. Friends, don't share your screen. So is the screen visible, Taha?
Yes, it's visible, bro.
Apply madanga, you will easily understand that. Can I get to know what are the subjects? Subjects mainly I have said like engineering subjects along with you have a second paper. Second paper ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ because we will be sending a link which will application form fill ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. So in that complete details is there. So nothing to worry about that. So books, it is left up to you guys. Just check it out or the like basics. For example, like if you are going for basics, I guess class notes are enough to mug up your basics and go through this continuously go through the monk papers, which will be very helpful. So just guys, feedback forum is there. Feel free to fill in it. So free tutorials, we'll be providing this link as soon as possible. So make sure this phone number is only required and make sure you use this. So registration ends at 30th September. So are you guys convinced to apply for the exam? Thinking about it? Yes. So if you guys have any doubt, just put it in the chat box. So no doubts, I guess. So everyone are convinced. Okay, good. So we will be sharing the 2 pics. So let me explain this. It will be like a free giveaway to all the students. This was from the man who have cleared GATE, ISRO exams and DRDO. So this is the last 100 days plan. So we all know that next October, November, December, January. So October he has given grade A subject competition, which means major subjects you have to mug up all the basics and start learning. So need not waste time. So this is the giveaway from our session to all the students. So first October, go through the major subjects. Even in November, go through cyclic revision. Cyclic revision means weekly revise. As you go to new concept, don't try to forget the old concept. Just keep on revising, and that is what to mean by cyclic revision. So full and mock test, I have already I have said in GradeUp and Unacademy you have full and test provided, and here you have FLT, that means full and test. So how it works is like give a full and test, analyze it, then work on your weakness, then again take a full and test, which will like continuously help you in monitoring yourself. So and also mainly go through previous year ISRO paper because it will be very helpful. Because most of the time ISRO paper previous year ISRO paper ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸರಿ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಟ್ಟೋ ಅದೇ. And one thing, let me clear this, there will be not ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೀರಾ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇಸ್ರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ and go through the surface layer of major subject and in depth. So not worry about this. And another one detail is that third year students, for them PSUs you can't take it, guys, because third year students also PSU or ಹೇಗೆ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು 6 ತಿಂಗಳೊಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು PSU ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಟ್, ಸೊ PSUs ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ got good marks in third year itself, if you are not going to attempt in a final year, then it's okay. You can go through your marks which are obtained through third year for higher studies and for applying in for different companies. But PSUs not possible. If you want PSUs, then you have to attempt in final year. Voice breaking. Yes, you will get the recorded video. You can go through it. If you have any doubt about the application, you can just text us. Okay, what are the companies? So Guru Prasad I already shown, I guess. I see, you can see BHEL, Bharat Petroleum, NHPC, NTPC. So these cutoffs are varies, so make sure to check the cutoffs. And if you are planning to like going through these companies, then yeah, you can. Can you please share ISRO question paper? Okay, we will provide it. Sample exam paper you will get, as I said, grade up and in other various like softwares like apps, Unacademy you will get. Don't worry about that. Which website we should get ISRO paper? Just type in ISRO previous paper PDF in Google, you will obviously get that. Yes, just type it the previous papers, or you will get the PDF e-books in Google free of cost. If you want it, just text us, we will provide it. So is there any other doubts, questions, queries about the application? So how many of you will apply for the exam? Yeah bro, Jai PUBG. Okay, don't worry about that, it's already gone. So is there any doubt, or so how many of you are thinking, yeah, let me try this exam? So let me clear this. If you're third year students and if you are unable to clear this exam this time, don't worry, because this is like sudden, like 100 days, but you will get an experience how to cope up, and you can continue your studying next in final year. So is there any other doubts about application, applying for exam? No, I guess. Okay, good. So I guess everyone is clear. The session will be recorded. You can go through it, and if you have any doubt, so registration link, how the exams can be attempted by third year, final year students, and any graduate students. Okay. Okay, registration link in the browser itself, there is a registration link. Need not to worry about that. You can go through it. Share as some of the previous question paper. Okay, and for mechanical students, if you're a mechanical student from AIT, and if you are applying for a GATE exam, let us get to know about that. So we'll make a group, and we'll create a faculty, so that if you have any doubts, you can post it there, and the faculties will help you in that. Any other doubt? Any website suggestion for question papers? No man, because I have taken already a book, so I haven't searched about the question paper. But as I have said, in grade up, and there are the previous year question paper too, so you can go through it. It is a free of cost. Other branches, yeah, other branches, it is left up to you guys. If you are other branches students, then make a team, create your own group, then ask any of your branch faculties, sir, we are doing like this, so we need help. Definitely they will help. Just approach your faculties, then you can make a WhatsApp group. It will be very effective. where like-minded people are one side. Yes, absolutely, like Tech with Mech, but separately we are going to create those who have already registered or applied, who are going to apply. So just talk with all the friends and let me clear this. ಯಾರೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ತಗಂತಾನಂತ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಯು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 2 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ದು ಒಂದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿರೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಯಾವ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ರು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂದ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 3 year ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್? ಸೊ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದೆನ್ think about the final year students. I guess you have to come to college or see what are the alternative you can do. So is there any other doubts? Another doubt idea? What's your opinion? Sorry, I don't know the full form of ESCN. Yes, as I have said, PSUs and government job, there will be opening for government jobs like ISRO, DRDO. So you can apply through GetScore. Any suggestion or GET related to GET? So I am using GK Publications, which is GATE 2021. I have taken one book which completes covers all the like aptitude, English as well as maths and my course subject. Everything is given. So rather than buying a book, better to take a previous year question paper, because subject wise you already have a notes. It's far more enough. But who have suggested from the GATE aspirants or GATE who have cleared, they say that it's more than enough. Just take the previous year paper, like 21 year paper, 21 years of papers. So just take it and try to solve those papers. And there is a YouTube channels, Grade Up. So go through it. So once again, I'm saying I've been following this, so I'm explaining to you guys. So there is no partnership with those of our college, and nothing is. Okay, guys, is there any other doubt? Was this session informative, guys? Did you get to know at least new things a bit? Good. Happy to see. Thank you. Thank you.
Rakshat, maybe we can wind up.
Purna, would you like to add something?
Yes, bro. The GATE information video will be shared on our Tech with Mech YouTube channel. You can go there and see all about more informations, eligibility, and the marks considerations. You can know more about by looking on the video. You can look on our Tech with Mech YouTube channel. The link will be shared shortly in our WhatsApp group. You can look on there. Thank you.
So I asked now Veena to take over.
Hi, good evening everyone. This is Veena, member of this club, Tech with Mech. First of all, I would like to thank the speaker and one of the club member, Mr. Rakshat, for sharing the information with us. And I would like to thank the principal of AIT and HOD of Mechanical Department and staff members of Mechanical Department. Most importantly, I would like to thank the backbone of our club, Mr. Vilas Vatwesa. And lastly, I would like to thank the audience attending this webinar. Thank you.
So guys, I would like to apologize if my English was not good. There were many complaints. So I guess you have all understood. That's it. Thank you guys. See you later.
Thank you, Rakshat, for the well done presentation. Many of us care about the information you've shared and not the English. So yeah, I think it was very well delivered. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone for joining. And yes, our Tech with Meg
Uh,
team has always been providing people with great information. And thank you, Vilas sir, for encouraging us to do this and always supporting us. And yes, we will be bringing more if we get a good response from this. I think we have got a great response, and yeah, thank you for attending, and we'll see you at the next one.